Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can claim a $5,000 for that account that you can use to start trading with. As you can see right here, the entry is free right here, and this is $5,000 that you'll be getting showing on the screen. As you can see right here, all you have to do is just join this account, register an account with them, compete, and you are going to win prizes for this particular account. So I'll be showing you how you can get this particular account. The first thing you need to do is to register an account with them. All you need to do right here is to put in your email address. After putting your email address, set your nickname. As you can see, then you put your password. Then it is very important that you use my invite code. It is very important that you use my invite code. If you don't use my invite code, you will not be getting the account. It is very compulsory that you use the invite code. So now, after putting in your details, all you want to do now is to put in your data and click on register and enter. And after doing that, they will send you a code to verify your email address. All you have to do is just go to your email, get the code, and input the code right here and click on verify. Then after putting the code, the next thing you want to do now is to come here and put in your login details so you can log into your arena. That's your dashboard. So you put in your email and the password that you use for your registration and enter arena. Then you can go ahead and get the particular for the $5,000 account. So the next thing you're going to do now is to click on this join competition right here. You're going to click on it. Then after clicking on it, this is what you have showing on your screen. As you can see right here, this is the account. This is the $5,000, as you can see, starting capital, and this is the maximum trade that you can have. This is what you need to know concerning the account. So the next thing you want to do now is to click on register right here. If you know you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please, this is an opportunity for you to subscribe to the channel now. So now this is where you're going to bind your wallet for you to make your withdrawals. As you can see right here, all you have to do is just click on bind wallet, then you put in your wallet address, everything that you need to know for you to make withdrawals from this particular account. Now, as I said earlier, for you to get this particular account, these are all the things that you need to know concerning this account. All you have to do is just make sure you go through the website carefully for all the details that you'll be needing for this particular account. So now, for you to do the next thing you want to do now is to go scroll down, then this part right here where it's showing register, you click on register. Then after clicking on register, the next thing that will pop up right on your screen is registered successfully. So now this is what you need concerning this particular account right here. This is what is going to be popping on your screen. So now the next thing you want to do, as you can see, this is number of participants that are already for this account. This account is a totally new account. People have not known about this account yet, and I want you to grab this opportunity so you don't miss out on it. So now these are the rules concerning this particular account. As you all know, the starting capital is 5,000 USDT, then the maximum trade is 40 trades. As you can see right here, don't worry about the fee rate. It is very, very free. This account is free. You don't have to make any deposit for you to get this particular account. All you have to do is just register an account with them, join the account, then you have the account right showing on your dashboard, as you can see right here. So this is all you need to know concerning this particular account. If you have any issues, if you have any question, please do well to drop it in the comment section. I'll be very happy. I'll be more than happy to answer any question that you have regarding this particular account. Now, after doing the necessary procedure, you cannot start trading now because the status is still pending. As I said earlier, the account is going to start by 11 a.m. As you can see right showing on the screen, that is when the account is going to start. So I want you to register now, so by the time the account starts, you will not miss out from this particular account right here. Once you register this account right here, as you can see, then your balance will be showing in this account. Your balance will be showing in your dashboard right here. Your balance will be showing right there. So this is basically all you need to know. As you can see, this is time left. By 11 o'clock the account starts. So please do well to register and don't miss out from this particular account. If you have any question, as I said earlier, drop in the comment section. I'll be very happy to answer your questions. Now, so thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Do well to like, share, comment from where you are watching from, subscribe to this channel, and also join my Telegram channel so you don't miss out on further information and updates that I'll be giving you concerning this particular account. See you in my next video. Said earlier, do not miss this opportunity. This is a very good opportunity. Nobody has heard about this account. See